Hello everyone, this is Rakesh here and once again welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see what all the arithmetic operators are available in the PLSQL program. So that is a topic which we are going to discuss in this session. So let's begin. So guys, let's see what all the arithmetic operators are available in the PLSQL programming. So what I will do, I will first list down all the arithmetic operator on my sheet and then I will explain one by one. Okay, so let me list down over here first. So guys, as you can see on your screen, these are the arithmetic operator are available in the PLSQL programming, and you can see over here these are the basic arithmetic operator, which is nothing but your plus, minus, multiplication, division, and this is called as a exponential arithmetic operator, and I'm going to spend time on this only. I'm not going to spend much time on this. Okay, so let me show you one example over here. So as you can see on your screen, this is one simple example in which I have performed the basic arithmetic operation. Okay, now this I hope you know, and I'm not going to explain this arithmetic operator. In a similar way you can use other basic arithmetic operator. Okay, so I'm going to explain over here. This is exponential arithmetic operator. So what exactly the exponential arithmetic operator is? So let's say for example I am going to apply the exponential arithmetic operator on 4, which is nothing but your this variable, and I am going to write over here 3. Then what it will do, it will write like this: 4, whatever the value it is there, and then 3 times it will write 4 4 4 like this. And if I will write like over here 5, then since I have applied over here 3 degree, then it will write the 5 5 and then 5. So this is nothing but your exponential operator. Okay, so I hope you have understood, guys. So whatever the value at the left side, that will be get written that many times as whatever the value I have over here at the right hand side. Okay, so you need to tell me over here now what is the output of my this program. So output is nothing but, you can see 125, and this is nothing but your plus or addition operator. Okay, now one question for you guys as an assignment, or you can tell me in the comment box what exactly the output if I will write like this. Okay, if I will write like this, and if I will write this only. Okay, so you need to keep an eye on this. Okay, and it will give the unexpected output. So you need to tell me what exactly the output of this program if I will declare this variable as this one, and if I will use that variable over here, then what could be the output. Okay, so you need to tell me over here, and guys, it is an unexpected output. Okay, so you need to tell me over here in the comment box. I hope you have understood what exactly the arithmetic operator is. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood what all the arithmetic operators are available in the PLSQL programming. Correct. Now, if you have any question, any feedback, then please write us. We will definitely reply you. Thank you so much for watching for the video. Bye bye. Take care.